this problem is for the 89 calculators, and this is just another quick how do you solve a problem on your calculator versus doing the algebra. So from 1990 through 1996, the consumption of poultry per capita is modeled by the following quadratic, where x equals 0 is the year 1990. During what year was the consumption at its maximum? Okay, so again, I have a negative a value, so I'm going to have a quadratic opening down. I want the year at which we had a maximum consumption, so I'm looking for the x coordinate of that maximum point. So again, aka vertex, right? So if I go to my y equals, so diamond F1, clear out old stuff, type in this equation. And start out with a standard window. So again, I'm going to go to zoom and just try a standard window and see what I see. I see nothing. And I like that because this is going to happen to you. So I don't see any function, but I know that it's supposed to look like this. So here's where your, logic comes into play. So I'm going to adjust my window. I'm going to think about this. X equals 0 is the years since 1990. Y values are consumption of poultry per capita, and I really don't know what in the world that's going to be. So I'm going to just go to my window and cross my fingers, and sometimes that's what you have to do. Now you might have a clue, like with the gas problem, it was easier to adjust your window. So if I go to my window, I'm going to adjust my Y max first because I do know that it's opening up and I wasn't seeing anything. So let's just change that to 50. And try graphing it and see if we see, oh, good, I'm starting to see something. So I know that it's going to do this. So now I'm going to adjust my X max, which is days since 1990, or years, excuse me, since 1990. So let's, I don't know, change that to maybe 50. My Y max maybe a little higher, 100. And let's try that. And again, this is really just what you have to do. Oh, that worked out well. So I want the maximum point here. So I go to F5 for math, calculate the maximum, get my cursor over the maximum, and remember lower bound means you want to go a little bit to the left of your maximum and press enter. Upper bound means you want to go a little to the right of your maximum, and you get a maximum of 6.15 and 64.37. So what does that mean? Well, this is years after 1990. So that means in 1996, right, 6 years after that, the poultry consumption was 64.37 something. I don't know. I guess I don't have labels up there. Sorry. I'm just going to say per capita. And there you go. So didn't have to do a lick of work.